Hello and welcome to another video. Were you aware that a whopping 75% of users don't look beyond the first page of online search results? What this means is that if you aren't on that first page in those first 10 really, you're going to be missing out on valuable traffic. What if I could give you the top SEO marketing strategies to improve your search results or search engine ranking position in order to be able to rank your website or your web presence higher? I'm going to give you those here today. If you are not familiar with my channel, I am Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and I help businesses and entrepreneurs grow through the use of technology. So we're just going to get after it. Here's number one. You need to focus in on keywords. Not only just on keywords, you need to focus in on this thing called long tail keywords. And what do I mean by that? It's for when somebody is searching for something in specific, like best plumber in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania is a long tail keyword. A short tail keyword is searching for plumbers. So you want to get super specific. You want to put that in titles. You want to put that in descriptions. You want to put that attached to all tags, to images, and in the content to your site. So that is number one, long tail keywords. Number two, and this is missed by a lot of people, and they're like, why aren't people coming to my website? Because of this. Number two, in-depth quality site content, and it should be consistent, not all over the place. If you are making posts to your website, they should be over 300 words in length. You remember back in high school, you had to write those papers and write me a 500-page word essay, right? Whatever particular topic. Similar type of thing here. The more content, think of it this way, the more keywords that are going to get scooped up by Google in order to be able to be found, and it shows that you have rich content on your site. You're actually putting time and effort into that, which can raise your domain authority. Next one is number three, and that's a fast loading website. So lots of things go into this. Everything from the size of your images to the size of your code to where you're hosting your website, how, if you're using a content delivery network or it's just being hosted in one physical location. Take a look at those things. All of those things are super important, and it is probably one of the key signals to Google in terms of actually improving your SEO score with them and your performance score. Number four is user-focused design versus back-end focused design. So this is talking about usability or UX and UI. So user experience and user interface. Make sure that you are taking your development and your design and designing for the user in mind, and you are drawing them through the site. It's a story. Like if you pick up a book, you have a cover, right? That's your homepage. And then where do you want them to go beyond that? Do you want them to skip into the middle of the book? Maybe you do if it's like a create your own story. However, most of them you want to go through the forward and your contents, and you're going chapter by chapter. You're walking them through your website. User-focused design is a number four. Number five is responsive design. Design your website not just for desktop, especially you want to design it for mobile, because Google, when they index your site, as they're looking at it from a mobile set of eyes, technical eyes, right? Not physical eyes. They're looking at it. What is the content that is showing up on a mobile, typical mobile device screen? Also, you want to don't discount tablets and iPads out there. Make sure that your content is optimized for several different sizes. My screen here is a 49-inch ultra wide. Make it look good no matter how big or how small the user's window is. Number six, this is a new topic that really has been missed over or ignored over the last couple of years, although millions of searches are done this way every single day, and that is voice search optimization. Especially if you are a local business and you have a physical location, voice search optimization is going to be super important in the years to come, and may actually overcome desktop searches or phone searches, what we've seen from the trends on that. Number seven, and we talked about this in the last topic, is local SEO. SEO. So when you're creating that local SEO strategy, you want to make sure that local SEO makes the list. It's showing up in when you see those Google search results on the map. Make sure that you are doing those. The Google My Business is a great tool in order to be able to help you optimize yourself for that. Number 8 is SEO Analytics. And so it's also important to go out there and track your SEO efforts. So in my last video, I created a couple of free tools, or I went over 2 free tools, Google Analytics and Google Search Console, which are going to be like super useful in order to be able to track the metrics. And I have a saying, you can't manage what you can't measure. So, and those are 2 great tools for that. So hopefully these 8 strategies give you a baseline or a foundation to build on top of for your web presence or your particular website. If they did, please hit those 3 buttons down below, the like, subscribe, and alert button, so you're alerted to additional content on my channel. And if you have additional comments or additional things that you feel that people should know about SEO strategy, please post those down in the comments below. And always remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.